Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Ultima Flex, a smartwatch designed for people who want premium style, useful smart features, and reliable performance without spending a premium price. If you're searching for a smartwatch that looks modern, feels comfortable, and helps you stay connected throughout the day, this video is for you. The first thing you'll notice about the Ultima Flex is its clean and elegant design. The watch has a slim profile, lightweight construction, and a comfortable strap that makes it easy to wear from morning until night. Whether you're heading to work, going to the gym, attending college, or simply relaxing with friends, the Ultima Flex matches almost every outfit and occasion. Moving on to the display, the watch features a bright and colorful touchscreen that is easy to read both indoors and outdoors. The interface feels smooth, responsive, and beginner-friendly, making navigation simple even for first-time smartwatch users. You can also personalize the experience by choosing from multiple watch faces to match your style. For health tracking, the Ultima Flex offers heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen measurement, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and daily step counting. These features provide helpful insights into your everyday wellness and encourage healthier habits. While the readings are designed for general fitness and should not replace professional medical equipment, they are useful for keeping track of your daily activity. Fitness enthusiasts will also appreciate the multiple sports modes available on the watch, whether you enjoy walking, running, cycling, or indoor workouts. The Ultima Flex records important information such as workout duration, calories burned, steps taken, and distance covered, helping you stay motivated and monitor your progress over time. Another useful feature is smart notifications. After connecting the watch to your smartphone through Bluetooth, you can receive incoming call alerts, text messages, and notifications from your favorite apps directly on your wrist. This helps you stay informed without constantly reaching for your phone, especially during meetings, workouts, or while traveling. Battery life is another area where the Ultima Flex performs well. Depending on your daily usage and enabled features, the watch can last several days on a single charge. That means less time charging and more time enjoying your smartwatch throughout the week. The companion mobile app provides detailed activity reports, health summaries, sleep analysis, and watch customization options. It also allows software updates and additional settings to improve your overall user experience. Overall, the Ultima Flex delivers an impressive balance of design, comfort, smart features, health tracking, fitness monitoring, and battery life at an affordable price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.